Hey, Cleaning and Cocktails and Route family. Again, we're here live at ISSA 2023 in Las Vegas. So, I'm here with Rory from the Sunbelt team. Rory, do me a favor, introduce yourself to the community.
Yeah, Ricardo. Rory Sala, Director of Sales for Sunbelt Rentals Flooring Solutions Division. Glad to be here. Many of you I've met before at Cleaning Cocktails event. Hello to you, and those that I haven't, look forward to meeting you soon.
So, Rory, we're here in this, in the Mandalay Bay in Las Vegas.
This is ground zero here.
Ground zero, beautiful, beautiful space. I wanted to ask you and the Sunbelt team, right? Because you guys have supported us. You've been supporting a lot of the things we're doing. What excites you and what's got you guys going at Sunbelt and you and your team with the small to medium-sized growing cleaning contracting sector?
Yeah, well, so look, small to medium size, we're here to help them grow to become big size. So we rent the clean. We're not interested in selling you machines. There's plenty of people that would do that here as well. But our idea is to help you quote more project work, more tag work, grow your business by renting things that you really aren't in a position to buy right now. So that's really what we do. So that is what excites me, is especially when I hear stories of success where we've helped them bid a carpet job that they didn't have the machine for, or a parking garage. So small to medium is just a big service provider waiting to happen, and we'd like to help them get there.
So, on the cusp, I just thought of this. You brought up a great point.
Yeah.
Here's an example of the relationship I have with Sunbelt. We're going to North Carolina. I'm on the air, right? Remember, Charlotte?
Oh, that's right, yeah.
So I'm on the airplane. I'm about to get off. In the airplane, the team is huddling. We're like, hey, wouldn't it be awesome if we could just rent an IMOP? And because we had a sales call.
That's right.
We had a big pitch.
You had a big customer you were trying to land.
I'm telling you, it was 2 hours before the meeting. I text Rory on the airplane, and I said, Rory, I'm going to Charlotte.
Yep.
Where and who can I contact and pick up an IMOP machine for a sales call?
Got you covered.
Took about T-minus 20 minutes.
Making it happen.
You made the connection.
Yeah.
I showed up. We showed up on site. We picked up an IMOP.
And some monopods. We got the monopods.
And we went to the site, to the sales call. They had never seen that. So again, not that you have to do this in a sales call, but the point is, you guys have equipment, you guys have bandwidth, you guys have locations all over the country.
We have 90 locations now in all the major markets in Canada as well. So we're ready for the small to medium-sized contractor to see if we can help them grow. No question about it.
Awesome, man. And you guys, they back it up. They really are. So I wanted to end with 2024 is around the corner.
Yep.
What's got Sunbelt excited about what the future of the cleaning industry is looking like 2024, 2025, and so on?
Yeah, so for us, number one, we love innovation. So we will continue to innovate. We rent autonomous mobile robots. We rent drones. We love the monopods, which are innovative. So we're always going to be going for innovation to bring to the marketplace through a rental concept. And so I would say that's number one. Number two, just the fact that people are starting to understand that they don't have to buy everything. It's okay if they want to buy everything, but with us, if we can help you grow your business with rental solutions, short-term, medium-term, maybe even long-term rental solutions, that's what excites us. And people are starting to feel comfortable with that now. Used to be, rental was kind of a catastrophic event. You know, have to do it, something bad happened, they hit a sprinkler head or they popped a pipe. Then call rental. With us, our mission really, and with GetRoute, we're accomplishing that, is to look at us as more of a solution provider through a rental option. Right, that's what excites us.
Ooh. Nailed it. Well, hey, Rory, thank you so much for taking the time, man. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Awesome.
And you wanted a slogan, right?
Yes, actually, hit us with a slogan.
All right, premier facilities deserve premier solutions, and we're hoping to bring that with you. Thank you.
This guy's good. Thank you, thank you.